What is up, y'all? We're gonna do an unboxing today of the McBeth 6-claw discs. These are the discs that Discraft put together for McBeth to commemorate his sixth world title. So, they created 12 discs: the Athena, the Onyx, the Buzz, Force, Hades, Heat, Luna, Malta, Undertaker, Vulture, Zone, and the Zeus. And I have all of them in here. So, let's open them up and see what they look like. Alright. Here we go. I am so excited. Alright. For our first disc, the Zone. Yes. Alright. I like the color. I like the color a lot. I'm not crazy about the white text. Beautiful disc. 173, 174. Feels really good. I like it. The Zone has been one of my go-to approaches, forehand or backhand, so I bag a few Zones, and I might just bag this one. What's next? Next we got the Athena. I love that purple. That is beautiful. That is awesome. Heck yes. I love the 6 claws on top. I prefer the claws on the side like they had done before. Very, very cool. Love that. And it's actually unique because the print was so close to the edge, whereas normal discs, they're about a ½ inch from the edge at most, but on the old claw discs, the stamp came all the way to the rim, which was unique. So that was really cool. I like that a lot. Very cool. Next up, the Zeus. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. And I love the green. And it's a 170 to 172. That's my favorite. I actually prefer a little bit of a light Zeus because I feel like it flips a little bit more. It'll spend more time in the air, so I can get some more distance. I love that. That is amazing. Heck yes. Next up, oh yes, the Buzz. Arguably the most famous disc in disc golf. The Buzz. That is awesome. That is definitely going in my bag. I love this. The color is amazing. It's nice and flat. I like it. A tiny bit of a dome, but nice and flat. Max weight, which is good. That feels good. Color's amazing. Feels amazing. I can't wait to throw that. Next up, the Luna. Wow. ESP Luna. Actually, I've never held an ESP Luna. It's 173, 174. It looks super awesome. It's got the heart stamps. I really like that. Very cool. Not sure how much I'm going to throw an ESP Luna, but that's okay. It still looks really cool, and I love it. Next up, the Undertaker. Another heart-shaped stamps with blue text and white McBeth, blue claws. I love the green rim. Very cool. Love the two-tone. It is 167 to 169. I actually really like that. I like more flippy discs because of the way I throw. Discs seem to be more stable, and so I like the lighter side of discs, so that's really handy. Love that. Next up, a disc that I probably will not be throwing much is the Heat. And actually, when you say Heat, it makes the claws almost look like flames. Very cool. Love that. Love the gold claws. The text, the color scheme is amazing. And it is 173, 174. Actually pretty domey. Very domey. But I like it. If I threw a Heat, I think this would be a really nice one. Probably glide a little bit more. Love that. Next up, the Hades, which I actually throw the prototype Hades a lot. It's a little bit more stable than the production Hades, but I think I'm gonna try this one out. I love the black, solid black claws. That is very cool. Really sticks out, nice and pronounced. I love this. I will definitely try it out, and if I like it, it'll go in my bag. Very nice. I needed some more flippy discs to get a little bit more distance. Okay, the Vulture. The Vulture is a disc that I have recently come to love, and I was really looking forward to this. I don't necessarily care for the yellow, personally. It is 167 and 169, which I do like that. And the print on the McBeth, or the MCB and the ST, it's like a checker plate almost. It's like a checker plate print. Probably difficult for you to see in this lighting. But the gold claws with the silver text, very nice. I love that. This is without a doubt going in my bag. Next up, we have the Force. This is a very similar stamp to the other one. Instead of silver checker plate, it's more like gold checker. And it's not checker plate, it's like stars in the text, and I really like it. That is sick. That is awesome disc. It is a 167 to 173 to 174. Man, that is sweet. Discraft really did awesome on this. I love this set. And our next disc, Malta. I have a prototype Malta in my bag, and I love it. I feel like the bead is a little bit smaller on the prototype Malta, and it really feels nice. This one is actually a 167, 169. Again, I actually like the light discs. And I didn't get to choose any colors, any weight, anything. It was just all random. But these are awesome. Love that. Very cool. And last but not least, what is it? What have we not seen yet? I don't even remember. Oh, the Onyx. Boom. Yes. I love the purple. 173, 174. Purple with like a gray rim and a purplish yellow, orange, pink claws. Very nice. My brother throws these a lot more than I do, so maybe I can trade him for something that he got. But this is an awesome disc. Love this. Kudos to Discraft. They did an excellent job making these discs. I love the commemorative thought that they put into this, and the discs are fantastic. I can't wait to throw them myself. I think quite a few of these are going to go in my bag. They're just fantastic discs. I hope that they fly half as good as they look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you would, and we'll get more content out there for you guys. Catch y'all later.